Ew. They probably love the juice of the fucking flytrap. I think these are aphids. Someone correct me if they know. Alright guys. You see those disgusting little dots, those aphids that I showed you earlier? Those things will kill the plant, sucking the juice out of the plant. You can see them, little stragglers. Motherfuckers. Alright, well I got some diatomaceous earth. Comes in a nice little spout now. And I am just going to cover them. Don't breathe this in. And that should kill them horribly. It's a beautiful death for them. This diatomaceous earth is like ground up fossilized shells essentially, or whatever the fuck it is, and it gets stuck in their pores and they suffocate and it grinds them up. Great for weed plants also. Unless your plant is flowering, of course.